by the fire while we eating fondue. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to falsetto in 3, 2, sway.
Last time we talked, I remember that the t-test is only one way of testing difference between groups, that there are other inferential statistics.
Right, the ANOVA is another one. Isn't it strange that all of the letters of ANOVA are capitalized?
Yes, that is because the letters stand for analysis of variance.
How is this different from a t-test?
With a t-test, you're only able to compare two groups to each other, but ANOVA can compare multiple groups.
This reminds me of the omnibus null hypothesis the professor mentioned in class, because the omnibus has to do with multiple groups.
Omnibus?
Yeah, an omnibus null hypothesis says that all the groups are equal to each other. A regular null hypothesis just says that one group doesn't differ from another group.
Yeah, so if you reject the omnibus null hypothesis, that just means that one of the groups is different from all the others, but you don't know which ones.
Oh, so then you would have to do a t-test to find the specific differences between two of the groups.
So an ANOVA is just like a t-test for more groups. But I'm confused because I thought t-tests were comparing means. But the ANOVA sounds like it's analyzing variance.
Good Lord, now what are you people doing?
That was confusing to me too. I remember the prof mentioning the variance ratio, which sounds like you are comparing variance. Variance, which means how the groups vary from one another.
Where do you get the numbers for the variance ratio?
You take the difference between the groups, and then divide by the difference that exists within the groups.
Okay, let me think about what that means. If you want to reject the null hypothesis, you want to make the difference between the groups to be big and the difference between the groups to be small. Not like us, we're big.
You can get big between groups differences by having a really good intervention, like a really great drug for ADD, compared to a really bad drug for ADD, compared to a no drug group. Get small within groups variance.
You need a really similar sample of people who have the same level of severity of ADD.
I see. So if your drug is really good, you'll find out what is good if you have a very different group you are comparing a group to. But within your group, people are very similar.
Speaking of similarity within the group, the most similar group would be the same people measured twice. Like in a within groups t-test. Can you do that with an ANOVA?
Yes, you use different scores just like you did for the within groups t-test. The only difference is that you can compare more than two groups.
Wow.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Sorry if I just watched in front of a video.
It's okay.
I'm really glad I took this class. I'm
already seeing ways I can use this in the
future!
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field.